What's up, y'all, man? It's TazBeGrinding, and this is my 6-month review on my 2021 Camaro SS and how much did it cost so far and my experience with it so far. So let's get into it. Alright, man, first things first, I'm gonna say so far the car has been amazing. Okay, we're gonna start the video off with expenses. So let's get the big one out of the way. Insurance so far for me for full coverage insurance is $200. It's like $20 a month because I had to get full coverage insurance, and my insurance might be a little bit cheaper than others because I'm on an insurance plan with my parents. So like we got multiple cars on there, so the insurance they kind of giving us like kind of a deal. So I pay $20 a month. So far 6 months that has been $1,200. Okay. So you got $1,200. Then I want to say gas. Gas so far I have spent, it's $40 every time I fill up. So I did $40, and I want to say I fill up once a week because I don't drive my car that much. So the past 6 months that I was able to drive my car, we can say $40 a week, 3 times, it's like 3 weeks a month. I spent about $700 in gas for the past 6 months. So we can add that up together. It's at $1,900. So far we spent about $1,900. And then, you know, over the 6 months I had the car, I already been putting mods on it. So the cat delete was $160 because it was $80 a cat. Something they did. I got my color induction intake. That was $395. I put all this stuff on myself. Kick was $234. Then to get my car tuned, I had to pay $400 in credits. Then the tune cost like $200. The tuner itself was $399. Accessories I did to the car myself, so altogether that was about $2,000, $2,000 and some change. So we're gonna say we're right around $3,900 into the car so far, and 6 months down the line. So yeah, that's all I got for expenses. And then let me give you guys the experience. I'm gonna go find us a location to where we can do all of this. All right, so first things first, the cold stars never get old. So I'm gonna put a clip right here for you. Alright, and as you can see, that 10 speed is so nice, man. The 10 speed is just so nice, man. I don't know, man. It just keep pulling. It just seems like it don't stop. Then all the looks and compliments I get is just crazy. I love it, I love it, I love it. One thing I can say though, when you smash on the gas, the car loves to go left. That's one thing that the car loves to do. It just loves to go left. Here we go. I'm about to give you guys the clips of the active results. I'm gonna start in touring mode, then we go open it up and go into sport mode. Track don't matter because both the gas be open anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some of this. So we can go like these. got sport mode. Here goes sport for y'all. It sound good. It sound real good. Okay, just the cons we have for this car is the rearview mirror is stupid. It don't work. I'm happy we got the backup cams because you need those. Backup cams, you would not be able to back up in this car without a rearview mirror. All the mods are pricey for this car. Hands down, all are pricey. I'll just tell you that right now. Like, exhaust system, an axle back, it's like $2,000. It's stupid. It's unheard of. It's just so stupid. Biggest thing I hate is that we got these rear back seats. I don't get it. I don't even know why we have back seats in this car. You can't fit anybody back there. My nephew is 8 years old. He barely can fit back there. It don't make sense. But other than that, I'm gonna give this car a total rating of, like, to me, I want to say about a good 6.5 out of 10. Like, that's like a truly like unbiased rating to me. Overall, I loved the car. I gave it a 6 out of 10 because I had 6 good reasons why I liked the car, and I have 4 reasons why I didn't like the car. So it's a 6 out of 10 rating for me. So not much that I mean, it's kind of stuff that don't really matter. So the rating overall is pretty good to me. Other than that, it's just the practical things, like the things that are just irrelevant that they have on the car is the bad ratings. So other than that, if I could do it all over again, I would pick a Camaro. I wouldn't choose anything else. So that's my rating on my Camaro, and that's my review over the past 6 months. So I hope this helped you out. Hopefully you might get you a Camaro after this, you know. So, okay, that's all I got for the video. But tomorrow we should have a video on my boy's Pontiac GXP. It's finally done with body work, and they got his wrap done. So for y'all that love like Pontiac G8s, Grand Prix, all that kind of stuff, the LS3 Nation, y'all like that video. All right, it's your boy TazBeGrinding. I'm out.